Hey, Don Copeland here. Today we're going to show you just another way you can make money using one of your compress UV printers. Right now we're printing on our 1200, and you could do this on the 600. You could actually do this on some of our Mutos on the smaller signs. This is actually a 24 by 6 inch. It's actually a real sign grade type of traffic sign. It's got the diamond grade reflective on it. It's a heavy aluminum, as you can see. This is like you would actually see for a city sign with it. We decided to get the white with the reflective on it, so it actually shows through just like it would on a city sign. And what I've done is I've printed the green over top of it. You can print blue, whatever you want to do. If you have fun for this with friends, they want to put something up at their bar or in their house or something like that, that's a street sign. We did this for a place that my wife and I have, we'll get up and away in the woods. But you also could sell this to like small neighborhood or associations, or let's say trailer parks, things like that, where they want specific signs interior to their property that look official. There's about $1. This has got some white ink and then the green down on it. There's about $1.40 worth of ink on top of this, so it's not a lot of money to print. All right, there you have it. These we did a quick time study on these. This one took about 5 minutes, 15 seconds. These are about another minute or so to do these. So roughly 6.5 minutes a piece to do these. That was printing a white underbase and then the color over top of it. The reason I used a white underbase on these is because these are, like I said earlier, fully reflective. You can actually see the banding of the reflective material in there, and just the color ink on top of it was you were still getting the reflective through. So we used the white as a blocker to give it a much more street sign look. And you know, we couldn't get out of here without Hannah's dog having to be part of it. So we now have Mason Mutt Way that he could do. He'll put it out in front of his little doggy house, so all of his friends know where to park or bark when they come over. That's it. All right, so here's just another cool thing you can do. These could be for novelty items. Like I said, again, if I was going to do these for novelty items, it wouldn't really be outside a lot, or maybe undercover or something. You could buy a lot less expensive sign blanks. But if you want something that's going to be long-lasting, it's going to be just like street signs that are out on the street, you can buy these. I think we got these from Grimco. There are a lot of sign companies you can get these. This is literally traffic grade type of reflective on the back. These are UV printable, and they're designed to be UV printed, so it's perfect for that. So you could, like I said, do these for operations. You could have condos and things like that. They have interior streets and stuff they wanted to name, or anything like that. Golf course, they want to have some fun with some of the naming inside of the course itself. It's just a great way to make some money and have some really cool output from your compress or your Muto UV printers.